There are numerous ways to earn free money online that are quick, simple, and do not involve a lot of effort. We all have a limited amount of time and life is unpredictable. As a result, we've developed a list of free ways to generate money that are genuinely feasible and can net you some cash the easy way. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as to make money online wisely. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Without further ado, let's begin. The first method is to complete Microtasks. Inbox Dollars is a great survey app for earning free PayPal money in your spare time. They profit from the information you offer by using it for market research. So you get paid to view advertising, do surveys, watch videos, play video games, make online purchases, read promotional emails, use discount coupons, or simply make online purchases. It's actually rather enjoyable to do this while watching TV or otherwise passing the time. Obviously, responding to surveys will not make you rich, but it is a method to supplement your PayPal money each month. You may make money by expressing your thoughts and playing games on your phone or laptop with Inbox Dollars. Join the millions of Inbox Dollars users who have already made more than $50 million in cash. There are more online survey sites like Inbox Dollars. Some of the best paid survey sites are Swagbucks provides a wide range of surveys on a variety of topics, and payments are made via PayPal. They even give new members a $10 incentive. Another website that pays $1 to $3 for each survey is Survey Junkie, where you can also earn money by completing activities and testing new items before they hit the market. The second method is to play games. Mistplay was founded in 2017 and provides players with a platform for playing games for real money. Consider it a real money gaming app. It's essentially a loyalty program that rewards you with cash and gift cards for playing games on your phone. The best part about this offer is that it is absolutely free, and depending on how frequently you play games, you may be able to receive a free gift card this week. The sole disadvantage is that it is only available for Android users on the Google Play Store. Sorry, iPhone users. To get started immediately, download the Mistplay app from this link and then explore the mixed list for available games to start playing. While this gaming app will not make you rich, if you enjoy playing games on your phone, you may easily win free gift cards. You can also earn money by utilizing a free app that offers cash back on gas purchases. Have you ever wished to spend less money on gas each week? That time has come because GetUpside allows you to earn money in your PayPal account by sharing your purchase receipts and purchasing at local merchants. The procedure is straightforward. Simply take a picture of your gas receipt and upload it. The app will then scan the receipt information and give you up to 25 cents off every gallon. I'm surprised I don't hear about this program more often. A lot of users are earning hundreds of dollars in cash back. By using it, you can easily earn an extra $100 in free PayPal cash this year. You can also save up to 35% at local eateries and 15% at local grocery stores. The money you make can be deposited to your PayPal account or redeemed for Amazon and other retailer gift cards. You can also increase your income by delivering groceries as a side venture. Instacart delivers groceries from local stores including Whole Foods Market, Target, Costco, and Petco in 2 hours. Why should you be concerned? Because this is a profitable possibility for you to generate money quickly. If you wanted to work as an Instacart personal grocery shopper, you'd make about $15 per hour. But how do you get that quick cash? Sign up as a personal grocery shopper and begin receiving shopping orders using an app on your smartphone, after which you will purchase and deliver food to the customer's door. You can start making money quickly, be paid quickly, and work hours that fit your schedule. As a payment option, they will deposit your earnings to your bank account, which is just as excellent as PayPal. You can also take part in online surveys. Survey Junkie is now the greatest survey community on the market. It also offers the highest rewards. There are several websites that pay people to complete surveys on the internet, but Survey Junkie is one of the best. You can not only make money online, but you can also help define products and services that are important to you. If you want to test it out, you may create a profile and they will match you to surveys. You can earn virtual points by completing surveys, which you can then redeem for PayPal or e-gift cards. You won't get rich, but you will get some free money, which is the point of this video. You can also get paid for sharing your data. Nielsen urges you to make a difference by using the internet as you normally do, and you can get free PayPal money in the process. I installed this software on all of my devices and earn approximately $200 per year quietly. You don't have to do much other than register your devices, phone, laptop, tablet, and they'll pay $50 per device. This is an excellent method to supplement your income. Simply install it on your phone and they will pay you $50 a year to keep their app on it. The program collects your search history in the background without interfering with your device's performance. Most apps already do this, but you can now get paid to opt in and share it. They also keep things exciting by giving out $10,000 each month. I like to think I have a higher chance of winning it than the lottery, so think of it as a free lotto ticket every month. MyPoints is another way to earn paid to visit the web. With its Explore and Earn feature, you can search the web for a chance to earn money quickly. MyPoints users can also earn up to 40% back on purchases at over 2,000 popular merchants such as Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. Do you think it's not enough? You can also make money by participating in polls, answering surveys, playing games, referring friends, and even watching particular films. You may then cash out your points whenever you like for a gift card, such as free Steam codes or a transfer to your PayPal account. When you want to get quick PayPal money quickly, one of the best methods to do it is to find simple ways to cut your spending. I had no idea how much money I was wasting on cable, phone bills, and other services that were no longer active. Most consumers don't bother calling AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, or whichever cell phone company they use to try to have their cell phone bill reduced. So delegate the task to someone else. Truebill, the #1 money-saving software, can help you avoid overpaying your bills. It will assist you in canceling unneeded subscriptions, lowering your bills, and staying on top of your finances. It's quite simple to set up an account with just your name and email address. By utilizing it, you will most certainly be able to save between $100 and $300 this year. This next app is one of the greatest passive income apps since it rewards you instantly and through PayPal. Do you want to obtain automated cashback without having to scan receipt after receipt? That is just what the new Dosh software achieves, and it all adds up. When you utilize Dosh, you can earn a ton of free cash at thousands of brands and over 600,000 hotels. In addition, if you connect a credit or debit card, you'll receive a $1 bonus. Every dollar counts when it comes to making quick PayPal money. Fortunately, you can easily pad your wallet or purse with cashback apps like Ibotta, $10 join-up bonus, Fetch Rewards, $2 sign-up bonus, and Dosh, $1 sign-up bonus to compensate you for your daily purchasing. Last but not least, you can earn money by doing freelance work. It is incredibly simple to earn money online utilizing Fiverr from the comfort of your own home. You can provide your skills for $5 or more on Fiverr, and you can easily register an account and start earning PayPal money right away. It's not a joke. You can offer a wide range of services on Fiverr thanks to a large number of service categories, including unconventional services such as writing a phrase on your face or body, writing names with Lego, or dancing to a song, as well as professional services such as logo design, website design, proofreading, or writing articles. Fiverr opens up a world of opportunities. One of the benefits of Fiverr is that you may manage your own time and schedule. So, that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.